Good morning. I wanted to show you something. And Nelly, just stay right there. I wanted to show you the dog whistle and the impact that this has on my little girl Nelly. I'm going to show you Nelly, and I'm going to press the dog whistle, and you watch what she does. Pressed it once. Pressed it twice. Pressed it 3 times. Such a cute girl. Did you not like the dog whistle, buddy? No. You didn't like the dog whistle? You like it, but you don't come to it. Just to show you that it wasn't set up. See the lips? A little bit of a tongue action. Oh, she said enough is enough. Oh, hey. Did you say enough was enough? Oh, come here. Come here. Yeah. Just don't sit on my phone. Say hi to everybody. Oh, a close-up of Nelly's beautiful face with her little bit of frosting right there. You have a little bit of frosting. Yeah. Do you think it's almost time to go for a pee-pee? Do you think it's almost time to go outside for a pee-pee? Okay. Let's go for pee-pee. Let's go for pee.